back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video unboxing AirPods, and I actually just bought them because me and my dad were like looking at some electronics we could buy for the house. So we got a computer and TV, but we're gonna get more. I mean, no, that's all. But anyways, we looked at Best Buy. They sold out of AirPods, so then we went back to another store near Best Buy, AT&T, and I got AirPods. So I had no idea I was gonna actually get them. I was like chill, and then when I got them, I'm like, wow. I was like really happy. But yeah, so the price of this was $160 plus tax is $10, so it was about $170. Well, the original price, $159. So yeah, let's open it up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Sorry, the light is probably really bad. Oh, there was like a plastic around it. Okay, wow, I'm very careful. So that's that. Nothing here. Some stuff. Okay, then here's the air. Oh God, I should stop leaning it. Okay. Oh God, look at this. I feel like I opened it wrong, but I kind of feel like I didn't. Oh, okay. Wow, I'm so happy I got them. Okay. I found AirPods once in the pool, like on a chair. Probably fell out of their pocket. Anyways, I got AirPods. I'm so happy. Okay, anyways. And then I returned it back to the office. I didn't keep it. But here's, I'm guessing this is the charger for it. So yeah. Really happy with that. I already tried AirPods before because, like, my friends and stuff. So, my real opinion about AirPods is I think you should totally get them. They're like really like useful. Oh my gosh, I never thought I would actually get AirPods. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. No, I'm joking. But yeah, so I got AirPods, and I think these are pretty good to use like almost $200 on. I got cash back, of course, but I think it's pretty useful. You should really buy it. It's very useful. You could like I'm pretty sure you get to do cool tricks with it. Like you get to tap twice to like pause or something. Very interesting. You guys should, I recommend it totally. Yeah, so the packaging seems pretty cool. So yeah, don't mind my nails. But anyways, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and comment down below for any other videos you want me to do, reviewing something. So, see y'all next time. Goodbye.